As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, check out these two propane grills I'm looking at. One's the Charbroil Grill2Go X200, and the other is the Weber Spirit E-310.
Oh, cool. I'm actually in the market for a new grill, too. What are you thinking?
Well, the Charbroil is super portable. Only weighs 20 pounds. Perfect for camping, you know?
Portability is key.
Yeah, but it only has 200 square inches of cooking space and a single 9,500 BTU burner. The Weber, on the other hand, is a beast at almost 100 pounds, so no hiking with that thing.
Haha, right. Definitely a backyard grill then.
Exactly. But it boasts a much larger 360 square inches of cooking area and 3 burners cranking out 19,000 BTUs.
That's a big difference in power and space.
Huge! The Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook evenly.
I've heard good things about that. Is the Weber just standard gas grilling?
Pretty much. It has stainless steel flavorizer bars to catch drippings and add flavor, plus porcelain enameled cast iron grates.
Fancy. How about ignition?
Both have push-button ignition, which is a must-have, in my opinion. The Charbroil uses a standard igniter.
Makes life easier, for sure.
The Weber has what they call snapjet ignition. Also, the Weber has a 10-year warranty, which is pretty sweet.
Wow, that's great. What about the price difference?
The Charbroil is around $150, while the Weber is a hefty $450.
Okay, so a significant investment for the Weber.
Exactly. So it really depends on what I need. If I'm just looking for a portable grill for occasional trips, the Charbroil seems perfect.
Yeah, sounds like a no-brainer for portability.
But if I want a powerful, spacious grill for regular backyard barbecues, the Weber is the way to go, despite the price.
Makes sense. Think about how often you'll use it and what kind of grilling you'll be doing.
Good point. Thanks for helping me think this through. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.